how to add or remove microphone button on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down and click on this pen icon and click on edit. After click on edit, you will see microphone accesses here. If you want to add microphone access quick settings panel, click on microphone access and click on done, and again click on done. You will see microphone accesses add on quick settings panel. After the process, go back to home screen. So if you want to remove microphone button to quick settings panel, swipe down and click on this pen icon and click on edit. You will see microphone accesses here and click on this minus icon and click on done. You will see microphone access button is remove on quick settings panel. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove microphone button on quick settings panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.